Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find your friend's birthday in Snapchat. So select your profile here again, go to the birthday section here, select the balloon, and you'll be able to find upcoming birthdays and recent celebrations. For instance, this person had their birthday 3 days ago. It will show this person will have their birthday in 12 days, which is around, I can't count right now, the 31st. I don't, wait, am I okay? I think it's on the 31st. If I'm counting it wrong, sorry. I just can't really count right now, but that's how you can find your friend's birthday in Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.